There's an additive that costs $1 to mix at home. Add it to any engine oil, conventional, synthetic blend, and that oil maintains full lubrication protection for 12 full months, regardless of how many miles you drive. Not a $25 bottle of Slick 50 that makes vague claims about engine protection and requires you to keep buying it every oil change anyway. Not a $12 per quart full synthetic that your dealer tells you still needs replacing every 5,000 miles. Not a $150 engine flush service that Jiffy Lube upsells you on every single visit before they charge you another $80 to put fresh oil in an engine they just told you was dangerously dirty. This additive does not mask oil degradation. It chemically prevents the molecular breakdown that makes oil degrade in the first place. A retired school principal in Arizona, who has been using this formula for 6 years, has not paid for a single oil change since 2019, and his 2014 F150 just crossed 180,000 miles with a compression reading his mechanic described as remarkable for the mileage. A small business owner in Tennessee running 3 delivery vans cut his annual fleet maintenance budget by $2,200 by eliminating unnecessary oil changes. A long-haul driver in Oregon running 60,000 miles a year dropped his oil change frequency from 6 times annually to once, saving $720 per year on a single truck. No mechanic required, no special equipment, no engine modification of any kind. This formula has been documented in lubrication engineering research since 1948. Industrial equipment operators, mining companies, paper mills, and manufacturing plants running machinery worth millions of dollars have used versions of this additive for decades to extend lubricant service life. Then, the $47 billion quick-lube industry discovered what this formula was doing to their per-vehicle annual revenue, and they made sure it never reached the consumer market in any form they could not control, rebrand, and charge you 10 times the material cost to deliver. Welcome to the Rogue Camper, where we dig up what the industry buried. If this knowledge matters to you, subscribe and hit the bell right now, because what comes next will permanently change how you think about every oil change appointment you have ever kept. To understand why this additive works, you need to understand what actually causes engine oil to degrade, because the answer is almost certainly not what your quick lube technician has ever told you. In 1866, a Scottish chemist named James Young established the first commercial petroleum refinery. He discovered that crude oil could be distilled into fractions with dramatically different viscosities. The heavier fractions, what we now call base oil, could be refined into lubricants that dramatically reduced friction compared to animal fats. For the next 60 years, petroleum-based lubricants were used exactly as Young had produced them. Base oil with minimal processing and no chemical additives. They worked, but they had a documented limitation. Under heat and mechanical stress, petroleum-based oil molecules oxidize. Oxygen dissolved in the oil reacts with hydrocarbon chains, forming acidic compounds called oxidation byproducts, peroxides, aldehydes, and organic acids that thicken the oil, reduce its film strength, and chemically attack metal engine surfaces. This oxidation process is the primary mechanism of oil degradation. It is not mileage that kills oil, it is heat cycles and oxygen exposure. A vehicle driven 10,000 miles in moderate temperatures with long highway runs will have significantly cleaner oil than a vehicle driven 3,000 miles in cold urban conditions with frequent short trips. The 3,000-mile oil change interval was not derived from lubrication science. It was derived from marketing. In 1969, Jiffy Lube did not yet exist. Oil changes were performed by independent mechanics on a schedule determined by actual oil condition. Then, in 1979, Jim Hindman opened the first Jiffy Lube franchise in Salt Lake City, Utah. His business model required a standardized, frequent, predictable service interval to generate the throughput volume that made a drive-through operation economically viable. The 3,000-mile interval became the cornerstone of an industry-wide marketing campaign that spent the next 4 decades training American drivers to change their oil every 3 months, regardless of actual oil condition. In 1948, a lubrication engineer named Dr. Carl Faulk was working for a paper mill in Wisconsin. The mill's machinery ran continuously, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Faulk was tasked with extending lubricant service intervals without increasing machinery wear. He began experimenting with antioxidant compounds, chemicals that could interrupt the oxidation chain reaction before it produced acidic byproducts. By 1952, Faulk had identified a combination of naturally derived antioxidant compounds that, when added to petroleum-based oil at a concentration of less than 1% by volume, extended the oil's oxidation resistance by a documented factor of 4 to 6 times. The paper mill's lubricant service intervals extended from 90 days to over 12 months, with no measurable increase in machinery wear. Faulk published his findings in a lubrication engineering journal in 1953. The findings were read by chemists at Pennzoil and Quaker State, and within 3 years, both companies had filed patents on antioxidant additive packages. Patents that covered proprietary formulations, but could not cover the underlying chemistry which Faulk had already placed in the public domain. That public domain formula quietly disappeared from consumer awareness as the branded additive market grew to absorb the knowledge and repackage it at 10 to 50 times the raw material cost. Let me show you exactly how large the machine is that profits from your quarterly oil change. The U.S. automotive oil change service market generated $9.4 billion in revenue in 2023. Jiffy Lube alone operates over 2,000 locations and performs approximately 30 million oil changes per year. The average full synthetic oil change runs $85 to $150. Over 10 years of vehicle ownership, a single household with 2 vehicles spends between $3,600 and $15,000 on oil changes, the majority of which lubrication engineers have acknowledged for decades are performed significantly more frequently than actual oil condition requires. A 2010 study commissioned by the California Department of Resources, Recovery, and Recycling concluded that modern vehicles driven under normal operating conditions with quality synthetic oil could safely extend intervals to 7,500 to 10,000 miles. Some were documented as safe to 15,000 miles. That study received 0 coverage in any publication that accepts advertising from quick-lube chains. The additive I'm about to show you takes the antioxidant chemistry that Dr. Faulk documented and makes it available at grocery store prices. Here is exactly what happens inside your engine oil. Engine oil degradation occurs through 3 mechanisms: thermal oxidation, thermal cracking, and acid accumulation. The additive formula addresses all 3 simultaneously. The primary active ingredient is a hindered phenol antioxidant, specifically butylated hydroxytoluene, commonly known as BHT. BHT is a free radical scavenger. Its molecular structure allows it to donate hydrogen atoms to free radicals produced during thermal oxidation, terminating the chain reaction before it propagates through the oil. One BHT molecule can interrupt hundreds of oxidation chain reactions. BHT is sold commercially as a food preservative. It is available at any health food store or online for under $10 per pound, enough to treat over 200 oil changes. The secondary active ingredient is zinc dialkyl dithiophosphate, commonly abbreviated as ZDDP. ZDDP forms a sacrificial protective film on metal surfaces under high pressure and temperature, preventing direct metal-to-metal contact. It simultaneously functions as a secondary antioxidant. ZDDP was the primary anti-wear additive in engine oil until 2010, when EPA emissions regulations required its reduction because it degrades catalytic converters. Its removal is the primary reason engine wear rates in vehicles built after 2010 have measurably increased. ZDDP is available as a standalone additive marketed for classic cars for under $10 per bottle. Here is exactly what you need and the precise steps to follow. Total cost: under $1 per oil change treatment. Ingredients: BHT food-grade powder, under $10 per pound, and ZDDP engine break-in additive, under $10 per bottle. A digital kitchen scale accurate to 0.1 gram. Step 1. Calculate capacity. Find your vehicle's oil capacity. Most cars hold 4 to 6 quarts. Step 2. Prepare BHT dose. Measure exactly 2 grams of BHT powder per quart of oil capacity. A 5-quart engine receives 10 grams of BHT, approximately 3/4 of a level teaspoon. Step 3. Prepare ZDDP dose. Measure exactly 30 milliliters, 2 tablespoons, of ZDDP liquid for the full engine capacity, regardless of quart count. Do not exceed this concentration to protect your catalytic converter. Step 4. Premix. Combine the measured BHT powder and ZDDP liquid in a clean glass jar. Add 2 ounces of fresh engine oil. Cap the jar and shake vigorously for 60 seconds until the BHT dissolves. Step 5. Perform oil change. Drain old oil, replace the filter, and refill with fresh oil. Step 6. Add the blend. Pour your pre-mixed additive directly into the engine. Start the engine and idle for 3 minutes to circulate the additive. Step 7. Set new interval. If using full synthetic oil, set your next oil change at 12 months or 15,000 miles. Your grandfather did not change his oil every 3,000 miles. He checked it every time he filled the gas tank. He looked at the color, felt the viscosity, smelled it, and changed it when it needed changing, not when a marketing calendar said it was time. He understood his engine as a mechanical system with knowable chemistry, rather than a warranty item serviced on a corporate schedule designed by people whose revenue depended on his ignorance. The lubrication engineers who documented this formula in 1953 were not trying to destroy an industry. They were trying to solve a problem. The quick-lube industry understood that a frightened car owner is a reliable revenue stream. Dr. Carl Faulk understood that oil degradation was a chemical process with a chemical solution that costs almost nothing. Now you have the chemistry. Subscribe and share this with one person who got a windshield sticker at their last oil change, telling them to come back in 3,000 miles. Every share is $400 that stays in a real person's budget. The next vault opens soon.